How's it going, everyone? Marlon here, back once again with Maverick Helicopters. In this video, we'll be going over our unique helicopter wedding experiences. Being a premier destination wedding mecca, Las Vegas has its fair share of extravagant weddings. That's why in this video, we'll be presenting extravagant ways to get married in and around Las Vegas via helicopter. This list includes some not so typical wedding experiences, so you want to make sure you stay to the end of the video so you know which experience is best for you and your significant other. So who's ready to tie the knot? Stick around to learn how to do just that with Maverick Helicopters' unique helicopter wedding experiences in and around Las Vegas. Let the adventure begin. If the outdoors is more your thing, then you're in luck, because our first unique helicopter wedding experience is a ceremony surrounding Red Rock Canyon. Maverick Helicopters' own Desert Enchantment Wedding Package takes your party to our private bluff adjacent from Red Rock Canyon. Journey to this private vista where you'll enjoy picturesque views of the Strip, the Las Vegas Valley, and the surrounding red and orange hues of the natural landscapes. Your ceremony will take place from this panoramic overlook 2,900 feet over the city. The wedding party will enjoy a champagne toast, beverages, and countless photo opportunities. And there's a variety of packages to choose from for this wedding experience of a lifetime. The next wedding experience takes you out of the city and into one of the most colorful state parks in the Southwest, and that's a destination wedding at the Valley of Fire. Our Painted Dreams wedding experience flies over the famous Hoover Dam as you make your way to a beautiful plateau overlooking stunning red sandstone at the Valley of Fire. This scenic location has incredible views of unique desert landscapes and acts as an intimate backdrop for all the wedding photo opportunities. This experience can also be upgraded to a sunset time frame, which includes a flight over downtown Las Vegas and the Las Vegas Strip. The next helicopter wedding experience takes you to one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, and that's a Grand Canyon wedding. Yes, you can get married in the Grand Canyon. Descend 3,500 feet to the base of the Grand Canyon at Maverick Helicopters' private bluff. Our Desert Dreams Grand Canyon wedding includes a private aircraft, minister, limousine transportation, and a champagne toast. With silver, gold, and platinum packages available with various perks, this experience is customizable for you, your spouse, and your attendees. A sunset version is also available for this wedding as well. This wedding concludes with a flight over the Bowl of Fire, downtown Las Vegas, and the Las Vegas Strip. And lastly, our final unique helicopter wedding experience on the list is getting married over the Las Vegas Strip. Maverick Helicopters' own Neon Lights wedding has you exchanging your wedding vows while soaring over the most extravagant hotels in the world. This 2-hour experience includes your own private aircraft, limousine transportation, and a champagne toast, with plenty of other optional upgrades.
The day that we got engaged, the following day, we already started talking about what we wanted to do to get married, and elopement was right up there. And I'm like, dude, I was like, I've never been to Vegas. Yeah. So then we got Vegas, and we both happened to look up the helicopter stuff. We didn't even talk to each other about it. We both came home, we're like, what do you think about a helicopter? She's like, I thought the same thing.
It is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife to make each other.
Congrats.
This Las Vegas wedding is a once-in-a-lifetime event filled with thrill and exhilaration. Love is definitely in the air with this unique wedding. And there you have it, Maverick Helicopters' unique helicopter wedding experiences in and around Las Vegas. Which one's your favorite? Make sure to comment below and let us know. Also, if you need more information about our unique wedding packages, make sure to visit the link in the description as well. And lastly, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll know everything that happens here with Maverick Helicopters. We'll see you guys in the next video.